That is why the one that was angry, it was the brother. The brother is supposed to say, that's my brother. I'm happy he's come back home. He's the one that started to have a heartache, knee ache, head ache, back ache, mentally ache. He was the one that was never happy. Ukuthi ubuyeleni lo beka right up emhlabeni wayengafanga lapha ezingulubeni. But God had a different plan with you. Lalela, some of us here, we have done fornication since February. But God said, come back, my daughter. It's the return of the prodigal son. Abanye bethu siloyile sathakatha. Some of us became witches. But God said, it's the return of the prodigal son. Some of us have done abortion after abortion. But God is saying, it's the return of the prodigal son. Some of us will become lesbian and gays. But God says, it's the return of the prodigal son. And when you come back, it is the elderly brother that's not happy. Let me tell you, your gift, your God-given gift, is actually terrifying them. Die Here gee om. Kom terug my sister, kom terug my broer. Die verlore seun, kom huis toe. Die Here soek jou, die Here roep jou. Keer terug in die huis van die Here. Come back to the house of God. He will not hold the sons of your youth against you. He wants you back.
Amen.
He wants you back.
Amen.
Before I pray,